Hello, my name is Les. I have a quick one for you today. If you have a solar panel that doesn't seem to be charging very well or has a white crusty film over the top of it, I've got a quick fix for you that might help you out. I will also be replacing the battery that solar panel charges. So let's give this a shot. This is the solar panel that looks like it's gotten a film or a crust on it. I mean, you can try to scrape some of it off. This could very well cause your solar panel not to charge or to take the sun's power. What I have here is just a decorative hot air balloon made by Regal art. I'll leave a link in the description box below. But what I'm going to do is clean this up so it will charge again. We're having an issue with this not charging, or it does charge, but it only stays lit up for a few minutes and then it dies. And I think this might be the problem. Let's give this a shot. What I'm going to use is a product called Novus. This is the fine scratch remover. I also have a heavy scratch remover, and then clean, shine, and protect part of it. This one is fairly crusty, so I'm going to start off with the heavy scratch remover, and then we'll move to the fine, and then I'll polish it up. I just use a paper towel. We're going to take the heavy scratch remover, and you just put it on here. And for those that know the reference, it's wax on, wax off. If you know that reference, you're as old as I am. The stuff will also work for polishing and cleaning up your headlights. When they get that yellow tint or that foggy look, you can use this stuff and it will take care of that and clean that up as well. You can already see the solar panel coming back. The solar panel, all it has is just a clear plastic lens that goes over the top of it that protects it. These are out in the weather, and what's happening is that's just getting a little bit of oxidization. Right, I got most of it. I still got to go back in here. It looks like I have some more in the corners that I need to get. Looks like I got most of that off of there. If you get into an area where it's hard to get to, you could always put this on a cotton swab, Q-tip, something like that. I mean, you can see how it turned the towel a little dark there. But you can use that to get into corners. Now you can see the solar panel under there, where before you couldn't. So let me get a clean towel, or a clean part of this towel. Let's go with the fine scratch remover. This one's a tan color. I think I put a little much on there, but that's all right. We'll use it. Once you get that cleaned off, you just use a little bit of the clean, shine, and protect. And this is just a little spritz. I put it on the whole top, but it'll protect that plastic and hopefully keep this from happening for a while. If it happens again, you just do it again. Okay, supposedly there is a battery under this cover. We're going to see about changing that out because I'm having an issue with this thing just not staying lit up for very long. It looks like this panel here, I'm just putting my nail under it here and pulling up. It looks like it just pops out. And that's actually what's on the inside of this balloon. How interesting. And that's what the inside of it looks like. Set that aside. Now I know that this thing is supposed to be glued in the bottom of the basket here, but as you can see, it's not. Alright, looks like there's a couple of small screws there. Okay. How about that? There's a battery. And that's the battery you need. 600 milliamp hour, 1.2 volt, rechargeable. I'll see if we can get one. I just have an Amazon Basics battery here. The other one was a 600 milliamp hour. This one's a 2400 milliamp hour battery. Hopefully it'll charge. We're gonna find out. But I know it works. I'm gonna put this back together and get it out there and start letting it charge. And this only goes on one way. Like so. Slide that little guy back down in there. Let's go put it out in the sun and let it charge. This is what this looks like with the solar panel cleaned and a new battery installed. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.